We'll start off with the AirPods Pro. Go ahead and open them up. Let's open them up, see what's inside. Nice fresh pair of headphones. We'll go ahead and take them out of the charging case. It's your right earbud, left earbud, and they are shaped a lot different. All right, we'll put the new ones in. They are very secure. And I'm going to do that quick head shake test. They're not moving. They still feel good. And I can tell you that I already like them better than the old AirPods. The fit feels really good. There's no ear fatigue, which I used to get all the time with these, trying to travel with them. Next, we'll do a quick sound test. Go ahead and play some music now. Wow. I like what I hear. Already deeper bass, richer mids, highs sound good. Wow. Comfortable. I like what I hear. These definitely sound better than the old generation AirPods. I'll go ahead and activate transparency mode real quick. And besides the little bit of pressure I feel in my ear, I can hear everything around me, what's going on. And then I'll change it over to noise canceling. Just a short press. Then you get a beep tone. Totally takes the hum out of everything. I don't hear anything. It's fairly quiet where I'm at right now. But I don't hear the air conditioner running or anything. We'll do a more in-depth test when I'm traveling on the plane or on the train. But noise canceling definitely does something. Now it's time to open up the Sony WF-1000XM3s. See what we get in the box. All right, here they are. Charging case, earbuds, and first thing I'll do is actually take the charging case out. Opens up, feels good. Closes just like the AirPods do. But one thing I can tell I do like already is the smaller case of the AirPods Pro. It's going to be a lot easier to carry that in your pocket versus the Sonys. There's your depth difference. USB-C and Lightning on the bottom here. Next, we'll pull out the buds. That's your left one. And your right one. All right, let's see how they fit in the case. Nice strong magnet. Impressed. And there they are charging. Next we'll do a quick fitting of the Sonys. Alright, we'll do a quick shake test. Ooh, not as secure, maybe because of the weight, but we'll give it another shot. Make sure they were in right. Yep, right one wants to come out. I would say they're not as secure as the AirPods Pro. Do a quick sound test. Alright, I'm going to play some music. Good lows, good mids. I would say the AirPods Pro are right on par with what I hear. Check out the volume real quick, turn it up. I would say these do get slightly louder, but also you get the distortion with it. They sound good, definitely. I don't really notice a difference between the two at all in sound quality. Alright, we'll do the ambient sound real quick. I've just got to activate the app. Ambient sound is on. I can hear things around me. My voice sounds a little more muffled than with the other AirPods Pro. It's not as natural. But overall, ambient sound does sound good. Just a little more muffled with these earphones. I also feel that these aren't as comfortable, maybe due to the weight, but they're not nearly as bad as the first generation AirPods. Next is the noise canceling function. Currently on. Again, I hear no humming from my air conditioner running right now. Outside noises are mostly drowned out. Again, these earbud type styles aren't for taking everything out. The over the ears are going to be the best for noise cancellation, but these do a really good job. In conclusion, I favor the AirPods Pro, which I did not think I would. But overall, the fit, the finish, and how much smaller that case is versus the Sony case really makes a huge difference, for me at least, because I do travel a lot for work. If you're on the fence about these two pairs of headphones, again, this is subjective, but I would choose the AirPods Pro. The sound, I can't tell the difference. I'm not an audiophile or anything like that, but to me, this has everything that I want and need. These are great, just a little bit more big and cumbersome for people that travel. Again, Sony has great headphones. I have the over-the-ear headphones that I use on the plane because I know these little pairs do not do it for the noise canceling. Again, I think the Sonys are a nice product and do sound great, but the AirPods Pro edge them out, in my opinion. Please like and subscribe my video if you like it or not. I hope this helps out people, especially in my boat where first gen AirPods did not fit and they hurt my ears. This solves your problem. Thanks very much.